Hey, so John, when you do it in this video, we're going to show you how to clear this windshield washer fluid low by filling up the reservoir. And a Dodge 1500, it's year 2022. All right, so to open the hood, lift that lever, and we got to look for a latch, which looks like it's right there, and it washer fluid right here. It's right here. All right, so we're gonna fill that up. All right, so we got a Rain-X fluid here. Just gonna pop this open. This has a little bit of a leak in it, so there we go. Loaded it up. Now I gotta wipe off the excess here that spilled from the bottle. Truck is very dirty. Gonna have to clean it. Okay, no more warning. Good deal. All right, now let's see if we can start or use our washer. There we go. It's working. Good deal. Yeah, buddy.